In the previous video, I showed you how to draw a straight line from an equation. So now it's your turn to have a go. Find some squared paper and try and sketch this line here. So try and sketch this one. Y equals 3x minus 7. Okay. So remember, this is your gradient, and this is your intercept. Your intercept is actually minus 7. Okay. Well, anyway, yeah, press pause and try and sketch this. Okay, have a go. Okay, so looking at this here, the intercept, your eye should zoom into the intercept first. So the intercept is minus 7. Okay, because of this sign here, minus 7. So it means the intercept is at minus 7. So the first point is here. Now a gradient of 3. Gradient of 3 means the steepness is at 3. So that means it's the gradient of 3 means it's the up and down here is 3 and then 1 across. So this is a steepness of 3. Okay, it has a steepness of 3. So here a steepness of 3 will look like this. The up and down here is 3 and the across is 1. So it's going to be like this. It crosses here and then 1 across, 3 up, 1 across, and so on. So your line will look like this. Minus 7, the intercept is at minus 7. Now a gradient of 3 means this. It means the height is 3 and the across is 1. And here height of 3, cross of 1. So it looks like this. But when you're doing this, it's 1 across, 3 up. 1 across, 3 up. Because, well, the up and down is 3, the across is 1, so it has a gradient of 3. Because 3 is always the height divided by the width. Well, anyway, so now it's just a matter of joining up all these points. So maybe get a ruler and just join up the points here. So this is your straight line. Okay. All right. Next one here. Hang on. So y equals 6 minus 2x. So press pause and have a go. Sketch this line here. So press pause and have a go. So here, well, here inside your mind, visualize this. Y equals, well, at the moment it's giving it to you in this form. Y equals c plus mx. Okay. Excuse me. So inside your mind. So when you're given this here, inside your mind, visualize this. Minus 2x plus 6. So this is your intercept, and this is your gradient here. Okay, so to draw this line here, visualize it as this. Okay, because you're familiar with y equals mx plus c. So always when you're sketching a line, when someone gives you an equation and you want to sketch that straight line, try and visualize it in this form inside your mind. Okay, so here the intercept is 6, so you know it's going to be here. Now gradient of 2 means the gradient of minus 2 means the up and down is 2 and the across is 1. So the up and down here is 2 and the across is 1. So you go across 1, go down 2, because it's a negative gradient, so it has to be going downhill. It cannot be going uphill like this. It needs to be going downhill because the gradient is minus 2. So anyway, so the intercept is here. Hang on, let's start again. The intercept is here. Remember, we're drawing this. Y equals 6 minus 2x. But we are going to visualize it as y equals minus 2x plus 6. So this here is our intercept. The intercept is here. Now gradient of minus 2, well, go 1 across and then 2 down. 1 across, 2 down. 1 across, 2 down. 1 across, 2 down. 1 across, 2 down. And so on. Okay? 1 across, 2 down. 1 across, 2 down. So it's just a matter of joining up these points. So this here would be your equation. Well, this equation here would look like this, and everything ties up because this is your intercept here, and this has a gradient of -2. Okay, so next question here, y equals 2x minus 7 over 5. Okay, so remember, when you get given this here, try to visualize it inside your mind as y equals mx plus c. So maybe you have to split this fraction up. Well, do whatever you have to do. So press pause and have a go. So here we want to visualize it like this, but we're going to break up this fraction. So it looks like this: y equals 2 over 5x minus 7 over 5. Okay. So here well, we should zoom into the intercept first. So the intercept is 7 over 5 minus 7 over 5. So what is 7? What is 7 divided by 5? Well, okay. Okay, hang on. Let's jump to a calculator. 7 divided by 5. Hang on. 7 divided by 5 equals this, 1.4. Okay. So the intercept is minus 1.4. Okay. So that means it's, well, 1 from here to here is 1. Okay. So 1.4 is probably around here. So hang on. Bear with me. So the first point is minus 1.4. So the intercept is here. Now a gradient of 2. Well, gradient of 2 over 5 means the height is 2 and the across the width is 5. And look at this, it's a positive gradient. So it's going like this. Okay, it's going uphill like that. So remember, a height of 2 and the width of 5. So what that means is I'm going to go 5 across, 2, 4, 5 here, and then I'm going to go 2 up. So don't forget, I'm in the middle. I'm in the middle here. So 1 here, 2 would be somewhere here. Okay. So now this is our first point here. Okay. Now I'm going to go 5 across, 2, 4, 5 is here, and then I'm going to go 2 up, 1, 2. So it's here. Okay. So this is our second point here. And then maybe I'm going to go in this direction now. I'm going to go 2 down, 1, 2, and then 5 across. So it's 2, 4, 5. So it's here. Okay, so that's the next point. And then go down 2, 1, 2, and then 5 across. 2, 4, 5. So the other point's here. Okay, so this is our straight line. This is what our straight line will look like. Okay, so when you get given this here, break it up into 2 fractions like this, and if you get a calculator, then convert that to a decimal, 1.4, well, minus 1.4, and then this gradient here. Well, when you have a fraction of a gradient, well, this number here is the up and down, so it's the 2, and the across is 5. Okay, and if you have minus 2 over 5, well, it means the up and down is still 2, but the 5, you go 5 in this direction, so it's going downhill. You see here, if you look at this is going uphill. This is going downhill. Okay.